Hi lovelies, you're welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you an amazing opportunity to move to Canada with your family to this small town in Canada, if you wouldn't mind though. And like I would always come with my evidence, because I know a larger percentage of my subscribers are watching from outside Canada. So if you're outside Canada, I get you covered. So let me show you the evidence before we move on with this video. We are currently on their website, so let me read it to you. Some employers need to recruit individuals to fill jobs that require specialized qualifications, and this may not yet be in Canada. Can you just underline that? These individuals may not yet be in Canada. So if you are outside Canada and you don't mind moving into this small town, please come along as I show you the steps you need to take in order to land yourself and your family in this beautiful small town. If you follow me through this video, I'm going to drop for you a tip that could help you achieve your immigration dream faster. This town has released a massive list of employers that have labor shortages and are looking forward to get foreign nationals to fill these job vacancies because they've not been able to get them filled by Canadian permanent residents or citizens. So if you're interested in taking up these jobs, some of these jobs do not even require you to have experience. They are going to train you on this job, so you don't need to have worked in this position before. And another thing is that the minimum requirement is high school diploma. So if you have your secondary school leaving certificate, you can apply to most of these jobs. So without wasting time, let's look at those industries. There are various industries that are experiencing labor shortage in this town, and from different sectors there are loads of opportunities here. Without wasting time, let's get to see these employers. So the name of this small town is Hinton, located in the province of Alberta. So this is a comprehensive list of the eligible employers that has been approved by the town to recruit foreign nationals to work for them. How do you get jobs from these employers? You can see we have a long list of them. You can see Valley Smart, Fast Gas, Subway, Booster, Pizza, Food, and all of that. We have a long list of them coming down here. I'm going to attach the list of these employers to the video description. Now, how do you reach out to these employers? You can reach out to these employers in two ways. You can visit the job bank, Indeed, and all of that. And I would recommend you to reach out to them directly by visiting their website, other than going to job bank, Indeed, and all of that to search for their job openings. You know, this is the company's website, and their website should be consistently updated, and you know, they would want to post on their website first before they extend it to the other job platforms. You can also go and search for them on those job platforms, but visit their website first. Check their career page, check the job vacancies they have there. You would get to see when it was posted and all the information you need to know. If you need to reach out to them, you would find their contact there, their email, their phone number, so you can liaise directly with those employers and submit your CV as well as your cover letter. Make sure they are in standard Canadian format. Ensure that they look highly competitive and attractive. Right now, I'm going to take you to the website of one of these companies and show you how you can get to see their current openings and how to apply to these jobs. So before we go check one of them, you can see that the industry in which they operate is connected to each of the employers. We have service industry, we have food industries, we have hospitality, we have the trucking industry, we have the childcare industry for the caregivers. We have a lot of them here, so you can just check out on which of the employers that operates in the kind of industry you are interested in. Then go ahead to check out the job openings they currently have, and begin to send in your applications. So without wasting time, let's check out one of the employers, which is Subway and it's a food industry. So all you need to do is just go to Google and type in the name of that employer, which is a company like Subway Canada. Now it brings it out like this. Just click on the careers, then it takes you to the company's website. Just scroll down. You can see join the Subway team. So just click on explore local Subway opportunities. You see they are currently hiring. Now hiring, start fresh with a career at Subway. Just go through it and get yourself familiar with this company so that whenever you are interviewed, you would have some relevant things to say about them. So all you need to do is just click on apply now. So when you click on the apply now button, it brings out the various job openings that are currently available. So I clicked on one of these job openings, and here is a job description. As part of the Subway team, you as a sandwich artist will focus on four main things. So you can just go through what they require so that you know what to include in your CV. Providing an excellent guest experience, preparing and serving great food, keeping restaurant clean and beautiful, being a team player. So what are the key parts of your day-to-day? Working with our guests to knowledgeably recommend meal options and fulfill their orders from start to finish. Upholding food safety standards as you prepare and serve fresh food daily. Now, before I forget, the tip I said I was going to drop for you. I'm trying to be as real as possible on this channel. If you need to get a job in Canada as it is right now, you need to lower your standard a bit just to get into Canada. Then you can now take up your real career. In the past few years, a lot of foreigners had moved into the country. So if you have qualifications, your master's, your PhD, I think you need to lower your standard a bit just to get into Canada, because some of those jobs you will acquire with masters and all of those big certificates, the Canadians and the permanent residents in Canada, those are the jobs they want to fill as well, but they don't want to do these menial jobs. Now they are big boys and girls already. But for you that is trying to move into Canada, don't look out for those jobs. Just drop your master's and PhD. You can pick them up later when you get into Canada. But for now, just to get in, take up these menial jobs that just require you to submit your high school diploma, and some of them do not even require you to have experience, because these kinds of jobs have lesser competition with people that are already in Canada. So that's why some of these employers are finding it difficult to fill in these job vacancies. Please do well to take this advice from me. Now let's look at the requirements. The requirement for this job, just as I said earlier, is high school or equivalent. So if you have your secondary school leaving certificate, you can apply to this job, and you don't need any previous experience. They're going to teach you how to go about your daily routine. So all you need to have is the ability to understand and implement written and verbal instruction. Then physically, you have the ability to work any area of the restaurant as needed and to operate computerized point of sale system, that's the POS and the cash register. So you just need basic knowledge and they are going to put you through. This position requires bending, standing and walking the entire workday. You must have the ability to lift 10 pounds frequently and up to 30 pounds occasionally. You can use this opportunity to move in after working for 6 months, 1 year. Then you can get another job for yourself. So you can just use the same template to go through and check which of the industries you are interested in. Check the employer's website, check their career page, apply for the job vacancies that you are interested in, and then you can also go look for those employers on Indeed, Job Bank, and every other Canada job platform. So if you do not have your CV in a Canadian standard, please check one of my videos on how you can build your Canadian format resume in few steps on the Job Bank and download it for free.